Hey guys, Tony from Auto Juice. I know you think this is crazy, but yes, I am polishing the generator. One thing that I do is try to keep all the equipment inside nice and clean and polished and looking nice. Believe it or not, this generator is probably 5 years old, but you keep your equipment looking nice and keep it up, it'll last a long time. But yes, I am polishing the generator and I'm conditioning all the plastic parts outside so it doesn't look dirty and nasty. So one thing when you want to do is when your customers are seeing the inside of your van, you're opening the doors, you want to make sure all your equipment's nice and clean, looks nice, it's all organized, you got your bottles all nice and looking right, and they start getting kind of like starting to look like they're scuffing up and stuff like that. It's probably time to replace them. I mean, that's just me. You don't have to, because you know what's in there, but just it gives it a nice good labeling of what's in there and stuff. But other than that, guys, just wanted to come with a quick video on that, just making it look good. Remember, guys, want to keep your car looking sweet? Always use Auto Juice.